Okay, in this video I'm just going to quickly show you the Android downgrade function, which is part of a normal Android extraction. I'll just show you this. So I've added my case in, go to evidence sources, mobile, Android. I'm going to acquire. I'm going to do an ADB. Samsung's connected. I'm going to do a quick image type. So if I do add to case, you'll see this little dialog come up which basically says that in order to extract some data from applications, that application has to be downgraded. A common application is WhatsApp. So here is the option to downgrade the application, and then once it's downgraded it will extract the data but then install the original app back on the device. So that's what that dialog is on there, and you want to enable this function here. If an app doesn't back up its data, try to downgrade it to a previous version that does back up its data, and then this will order you or allow you to recover that application's contents and enable them to be reviewed in Examine. So then you just click OK and then process as per normal.